When elements in a design are coincident, meaning at the same depth in the design, you can use element attributes such as transparency and priority to make them visible in the correct order and visual clarity needed. This is especially effective with filled elements. Transparency may vary from 0%, which is opaque, to 100%, which is almost complete transparency. The element priority value may vary from -500 to 500. The elements assigned to the highest element priority are displayed in the front, while the elements assigned to the lowest values are displayed in the back. Note: transparency, as well as display priority, can be applied to any drawing elements, as well as levels and references. In this lesson, you will learn to apply active priority, apply active transparency, display view attributes, and the transparency attribute control. Continue in elementattributes.dgn in the default model. We confirm that the active transparency and the active priority in the attributes ribbon group on the Home ribbon tab are both set to 0. Next, we'll draw some outlined filled blocks or circles that overlap one another. The default order in which the elements appear, their priority, is based on the order in which they were added to the model. Let's change that. We create another filled block that we want to be displayed behind the elements just created. Click the active priority icon in the Attributes ribbon group and set the value to -100. Place the filled block overlapping the existing elements. Because it's a lower priority, the new block is displayed behind the other elements. Let's change the priority of the yellow block so it displays in front of the other elements. We could do this with the Change Element Attributes tool, but there's another fast way to change the element attribute. With the Element Selection tool active, click on the yellow block. Click the Active Priority field in the Attributes ribbon group and set the value to 100. Enter a data point to clear the selection. When elements are first selected, then you change an active element attribute in the Attributes ribbon group, such as the active color, level, or priority. The corresponding attribute of the elements are changed. Because the priority of the selected block has been changed to 100, it now appears in front of the other elements. Let's change the transparency of the block we just moved to the front so we can view the other elements through it. Using element selection, select the yellow block. Click the Active Transparency icon in the Attributes ribbon group and set the value to 30. The block takes on a transparent look. Enter a data point to clear the selection. If no transparency is displayed, we can check the view attributes for the current view to make sure the transparency display is turned on. We open View Attributes by clicking View Attributes in View 1 or press Ctrl-B. Ensure the Transparency View attribute is enabled for View 1, otherwise the transparency is not displayed. Close the Element Attributes DGN file. In this lesson, you learn to apply active priority, apply active transparency, and display view attributes and the transparency attribute control. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.